Hi, my name is Manuela Escobar. I am studying agroforestry engineering. I am 24 years old. I really like Christmas since it is my birthday and my mom makes me tamales for lunch. The tamales is a typical Colombian food. Tamales are eaten at any time of the day, both for breakfast and for lunch or snack. This food can be accompanied with delicious coffee or a lot with an double. This is part only of our Colombian gastronomy, but also of special moments in our lives, and they are prepared in a super simple way. The ingredients to need to prepared and tamal. 1 meat, 1 pound in onion B pieces, 2 stalk cheeses, 2 million in pieces, 2 million in closes, 1 half pieces coffee, tasted regular half or 2 tastes, 1 half tastes color, 1 half hour. To do the amount, we need cups grown from brunings, the mass preferably or 1 water. Corn meat. Corn intermittent life. Red potato brook intermittent die. Smooth its spices. Oil in color, oil and cheddar. Instructions. First point. Put ingredients to marinate in the meat in the blender and leave until they are all mixed. Second point. Marinate the point and chicken where they are left in the refrigerator in the containers on enclosed plastic ice under ice. 3 points. Chivo on incense marinades. Bring to a boil, separate bait and pot. Our menu has the water mass beer house that records in the morse. 4 points. Mix the warm water or prefer from the cooking from the meat so that you more fun and the flavor. Corn flow to the color mix. 5 points to the cooking trains in a large container and the milk that. 6 points. Mix everything oil. The cut on the potato, the carrot and the eggs. 8 points. Another one in the rice avoid purge. 9 points. The tamal begins to the assembly. 3 points should now be trained. The dough should now be trained and should be spread. Not thick enough to accommodate and combinate the other ingredients. 11 point. And the chicken pieces are off and are point the potato and the carrot and the last point landed in the William point. Bye.